sometimes have clients ask, Jess, why are you using my business name as a key word for running my Google ad campaigns? If someone is searching my business name into Google, surely they want to visit my website. Surely they're after me. Why do I need to pay for that result? And my answer is clear. One, if you've got competitors, there's nothing stopping the competitors adding your business as a keyword for their own Google ad campaigns. So if someone searches your business and your competitor shows up above your organic website and that potential client clicks on it and goes to your competitor instead of you, that's the first reason why we want to run ad campaigns with your business name as the keyword. It's just to stomp out everybody else as being competition. The second reason is it's all about real estate on that Google search page. If you've got a paid ad and Google My Business listing on the other side, and then your organic website results for your business, the likelihood of that person clicking on your website is even higher. So those are the two reasons why ad strategists like myself would include your business name as a keyword when running paid Google ads. I hope this clears it up for you. Until next time, bye for now.